Now you learn this topic. If we want to find the numbers between the given numbers, then what is the process to solve this? I am telling the simple process to you. If there are the suppose two numbers like 1 and 2, there are the two numbers, and we want to find five rational numbers between them. Find five rational numbers between 1 and 2. This is the question. How will you find it? I am telling a simple process to you. You have to find five numbers. Means you have to find the five numbers between 1 and 2. Firstly, write the numbers which you want to find plus 1, means 6. You will write 6 by 6 and the number is 12 by 6. Means for 1 you will write 6 by 6. For 2 you will write 12 by 6. Because this is the form change only, but the numbers are same. Because 6 divided by 6 you will get 1. 12 is divided by 6, you will get 2. But from this process we will get the answer very promptly. How? You will write five numbers between them. Firstly 6 by 6, next number will be 7 by 6, next number is 8 by 6. What is the next number? 9 by 6. The next number is 10 by 6. The next number is 11 by 6. And the last number, 11 by 6. And the last number is 12 by 6. We got the five numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a very simple process to find the rational numbers between the two given numbers. There are the two numbers 1 and 2. You have to find the five rational numbers between these. Then what will you do? Simply the numbers which you have to find plus 1. You have to find the five numbers between them, so that add 1 on these numbers. You will get 5 plus 1 equal to 6. So make 1, write 1 in the terms of 6. You will write it 6 by 6, and for 2 you will write it 12 by 6. 6 by 6 is equal to 1 and 12 by 6 is equal to 2. Write the numbers in this sequence. The first number is 6 by 6 which is given. The next number is 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6, 11 by 6, 12 by 6. These are the five numbers you have got. This is a simple process. You can use it. Similarly, if there are the numbers 5 and 6, you want to get 10 numbers in between them. 10 numbers between 5 and 6. Use the same process for it. 5 means the number of terms is equal to 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. It means, what will you make it? For 11 means 11 must be the denominator. If 11 is the denominator, how will you get 5? By 55. Here 11 is also the denominator, so that this number must be equal to 66. For getting 6, 11 5s are 55, 11 6s are 66. Now write the numbers. You can easily write 55. Next number is 56 by 11. 57 by 11. 58 by 11. 59 by 11. 60 by 11. 61 by 11. 62 by 11. 63 by 11. 64 by 11. 65 by 11, and lastly 66 by 11. You have got the 10 numbers between the given these two numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is a simple process to find the numbers between the two given numbers. This is a very simple process. A lot of processes are there, but this is a very simple process. You will get the answer. Okay.